Hello guys, back with another video, and today we are going to be making brownies. Okay guys, so what you will need for making brownies is a baking tin, 3 eggs, dark muscovado sugar, baking powder, plain flour, unsalted butter, dark chocolate, and a scale. First you'll need 350 grams of dark chocolate. Then you will need 250 grams of unsalted butter. Then you'll need 250 grams of dark muscovado sugar. Then you'll need 85 grams of plain flour. Then you'll need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using today. First, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Now, get grease-proof paper and line your tin. Oil or butter your tin so your brownies won't stick to it. Get a glass measuring jug and empty your butter and chocolate into it. Don't worry if your chocolate doesn't all fit in. You can add it in as the butter melts. Put boiled water into the container you are melting the chocolate with until the water fills up to halfway of the jug. Now you are ready to melt. Put the hob on to around 4 and then you can start melting. Time for my favourite part, whisking the eggs. So you need to whisk the eggs until they're pale and foamy. You can use a hand whisk or an electric whisk. It doesn't really matter, but an electric whisk is a lot easier. Crack all 3 eggs into a bowl. Oops. Now, time for the whisking. So now that your mixture is pale, add sugar to it. Mix and whisk it till it's well combined. Okay, so now you have to get your melted chocolate and gently fold the chocolate into the mixture. Make sure you get everything out with a spatula. So now, yeah, forget about the whisk and mix it. Then mix the baking powder with the flour. And then just use a spoon to mix it all together. Then sieve the flour into your solution. Now gently stir until smooth. See, it's starting to get there now. So when your texture is smooth, that's how you know you're ready to go on to the next stage. So this is your mixture. Pour it into a square tin and bake it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes.